The return of the V4 legend. Welcome to Bike Informers, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we dive deep into one of the most exciting revelations from Honda, the 2026 Honda VFR 850R. A name that has been silent for years has finally returned, reborn as a new generation sport touring masterpiece with cutting-edge technology, electrifying performance, and unmistakable Honda DNA. This is not just another sport bike, it's the rebirth of a legend, a legacy reimagined. The Honda VFR series has always been synonymous with innovation, reliability, and balance between power and comfort. From the legendary VFR 750F to the powerful VFR 800, these motorcycles carried the unique V4 engine layout that gave them their distinct character. Now, in 2026, Honda brings back this iconic lineage with the VFR 850R, combining nostalgia with modern engineering excellence. Honda's goal with this model is clear: to redefine what a sport touring motorcycle can be. It's aimed at riders who crave adrenaline on twisty roads, but demand all-day comfort and advanced technology for long journeys. Design, sculpted by speed and elegance. At first glance, the VFR 850R exudes aggression and sophistication. The design language is sharp, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Honda. The fairings have been sculpted using computational fluid dynamics, CFD, to optimize airflow and reduce drag at high speeds. The dual LED headlights integrate seamlessly into the bodywork, giving the front end a menacing yet elegant stance. The signature single-sided swingarm returns, showcasing the rear wheel with artistic precision, a hallmark feature that instantly connects the 850R to its predecessors. The exhaust system is now underbelly mounted, lowering the center of gravity and contributing to a sleek, uncluttered tail section. Every line, vent, and panel has been designed for performance and presence. The heart of the beast, new 850 cubic centimeters V4 engine. At the core of the VFR 850R lies Honda's all-new 850 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V4 engine, a power plant that symbolizes the perfect balance between smooth touring power and race-inspired performance. This new generation V4 produces a claimed 115 horsepower at 11,000 revolutions per minute and 85 Newton-meters of torque, with power delivery tuned for linear acceleration and precise throttle response. Honda engineers have used lightweight materials, including magnesium covers and a semi-dry sump system, to reduce weight while improving heat management. The new VTC system has been completely redesigned, allowing seamless transitions between 2-valve and 4-valve operations per cylinder for optimal efficiency and performance across the rev range. The sound of this V4 engine is something to behold, a deep, throaty growl at low RPMs that turns into a screaming symphony as it climbs to redline. It's unmistakably VFR. Chassis and handling, the perfect balance. The VFR 850R sits on an advanced aluminum twin-spar frame for maximum rigidity and lightweight stability. The geometry has been fine-tuned for agility and comfort, offering precise cornering feedback without sacrificing touring confidence. Suspension duties are handled by Showa's electronically controlled forks at the front and a ProLink rear shock with semi-active damping. Riders can choose between multiple suspension modes: comfort, sport, and dynamic, adjusting automatically to road conditions in real time. The single-sided swingarm not only enhances aesthetics but improves handling stability during acceleration and cornering. With a curb weight around 215 kilograms, the 850R strikes a sweet spot between a nimble sport bike and a planted touring machine. Transmission and drivetrain, seamless control. Power is transferred through a 6-speed gearbox equipped with Honda's Quickshifter Plus, allowing clutchless upshifts and downshifts. The gearbox has been refined for smoother engagement and reduced mechanical noise. Honda's dual-clutch transmission, DCT, will also be available as an optional variant, a nod to riders who prefer effortless shifting during long-distance rides or urban commutes. The final drive remains chain-based for sport-oriented response, emphasizing connection between rider and machine. Electronics and rider aids, intelligence at every turn. As expected from a 2026 model, the VFR 850R comes loaded with a comprehensive electronics suite derived from Honda's MotoGP program. The system is governed by a 6-axis IMU, which monitors lean angle, acceleration, and braking forces to deliver adaptive control. Key features include Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSDC, Cornering ABS, Wheelie Control, Engine Braking Management, Launch Control. Ride-by-wire throttle. Riders can choose between multiple riding modes: touring, sport, urban, and user, each adjusting throttle response, traction control, and suspension settings. The user mode allows full customization. Latin. Technology and connectivity. At the center of the cockpit sits a 7-inch full-color TFT display, compatible with Honda smartphone voice control and wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. The screen is fully customizable and adjusts brightness automatically for night or day riding. The VFR 850R also features keyless ignition, cruise control, heated grips, USB-C charging ports, and a Bluetooth helmet intercom system integration. For touring enthusiasts, optional accessories include hard panniers, a tall windscreen, and heated seats, making the 850R a truly versatile machine for every type of journey. Aerodynamics and comfort. Honda has invested heavily in rider comfort without compromising performance. The fairing design and side ducts channel air efficiently around the rider, reducing wind buffeting at high speeds. Adjustable windscreen height allows fine-tuning for different riding postures. The seat is ergonomically shaped, with a narrow waist for easier foot placement, and a plush surface for long rides. The handlebar position strikes a balance between sporty aggression and touring comfort, allowing natural wrist angles for hours of fatigue-free riding. Even the mirrors have been aerodynamically sculpted to reduce turbulence, demonstrating Honda's meticulous attention to detail. Braking system, precision and power. The VFR 850R uses dual 320mm floating discs with radial mount Brembo calipers up front and a single 260mm rear disc, ensuring confident stopping power in all conditions. Coupled with the latest cornering ABS system, braking remains stable even during hard deceleration at lean. The combination of Brembo hardware and Honda's IMU-based software gives the rider unmatched confidence in emergency situations and spirited riding alike. Performance figures and riding experience. According to early test reports from Honda's internal track evaluations, the VFR 850R accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3.2 seconds, with a top speed estimated around 250 km per hour, 155 miles per hour. But numbers only tell part of the story. The true magic lies in its balance, the effortless composure when slicing through corners, the surge of torque on mountain passes, and the smooth highway cruising capability. It's a machine that adapts to every mood, calm when you need it, fierce when you demand it. Fuel efficiency and environmental compliance. Despite its impressive performance, Honda's engineers have focused on efficiency and emissions. The VFR 850R features a new combustion chamber design and advanced VTC timing that reduces fuel consumption during relaxed cruising. The result is an average of 22 km per liter, approximate 52 miles per gallon, under mixed conditions. The bike complies with the latest 6 Euro Plus emission standards, making it one of the cleanest sport touring motorcycles in its class. Variants and colors. The Honda VFR 850R 2026 will be offered in 2 primary variants, the Standard and the DCT Touring Edition. Color options include Pearl Glare White,